Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. Whenever I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So let's start the video. So it's very beautiful decoration. You can see the green color wall, the bed and all, and the side wall decoration, beautiful design decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, bed and all, and the lights, the floor, wooden floor, very beautiful decoration. You can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the white color wall, the bed, the curtains and all, very beautiful. The lamp and all, very beautiful decoration. It's looking very good. And this is also very beautiful. You can see the wall. It's also very beautiful. The bed and all, in the floor, beautiful design. This also you can see the floor, beautiful floor, beautiful floor, the wooden theme floor, the wall also. And also you can see very beautiful decoration. You can see the cupboards and all, and the clothes and all, the dress and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And also you can see the mirror. In the mirror you can see the wall, you can see the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. It is looking very good. It also you can see the wall, the bed and all, and the floor, the lamp and all, very beautiful. The wood, the modern room decoration. This one also the mirror, the TV, you can see the mirror screen, you can see the floor, you can see the very beautiful decoration, looking very beautiful, very good also. And this also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the pink color bed, the silver color wall, and the roof also very beautiful, the floor, beautiful decoration. This also you can see the wall, the bed and all, and the roof, very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lights and all, and the wall you can see blue color wall, the lamp and all. And so also you can see the floor, beautiful floor, wooden floor, the wall, the bed and all, and the roof, lighting, very beautiful decoration. And so also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the beautiful decoration of wall, modern room, and the lights also, the beautiful lights, the lamp and all. So also the white color theme bed, the wall, the cupboards and all, very beautiful. You can see the lamp and all, looking very good. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the more beautiful plants, very beautiful, very good also. This also you can see the area where you can keep your things, more books and all, clothes and all, very beautiful, or playing things. So also you can see this. I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you get the notification first. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.